Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate earnings from Amazon Associates to bank step by step clearly. Log in to your Amazon Associates account. Navigate to the Reports section. Select Earnings from the drop-down menu. Review your total earnings displayed on the screen. Go to the Account Settings tab. Locate the section labeled Payment Information. Check your payment method settings. Choose the appropriate payment option based on your location. For direct deposit, ensure your bank account information is entered correctly. If you prefer payment via check, provide your mailing address. Make sure you have reached the payment threshold set by Amazon. Understand the payment schedule, which often occurs around the 15th of each month. Once you have met the requirements, your earnings will be processed. Keep an eye on your Amazon Associates account for any updates. After processing, check your bank account or mail for the deposit or check. Confirm your earnings are successfully transferred. Contact Amazon support if you encounter any issues. Make note of future payments for tracking purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.